Wiper arms breaking on the E60 BMWs is quite a common issue. This is what you have to do to replace it. So first of all, spray it with some WD-40 to loosen these bolts. We take this part off, it's number 13 nut. And put the towel underneath to protect the windscreen. Take this off. This part is trickier to take off. You'll have to use a tool like this to pry it out. There we go. Perfect. Awesome tool. So here is the rotor. As you can see, there's the splines right here that are going to cut into the new part. So a little mistake we made is that we didn't take down the position of the original wiper arm. So make sure to take down the way it is aligned. It's going to help you when you are mounting the new one. Before we start replacing the part, this part is a part that I ordered from AliExpress from China. So this is not the original from BMW. I went to BMW originally and they quoted me 115 euro, as I recall, for the original BMW OEM part. However, I want to clean up some misconception. So what I've heard about the Chinese parts is that they apparently do not have splines. As you can see, this part here is smooth. So there have been some complaints from some buyers on eBay and AliExpress pages that these parts are apparently badly manufactured and not to the specification. However, I went to BMW and I had a look at the original OEM part from BMW, and the original part also has this part as smooth. It doesn't have splines in it either. It's incorrect that the OEM part comes with splines. So that's the main reason I'm making this video, is to clear this up. So this should be smooth from BMW. This part here is smooth as well. It is a little bit of a higher quality, but I think this will do fine too. Perfecto. Make sure to align this part with this part and tie down the new arm. Make sure to align the wiper. And now comes the interesting part, where we cut down those splines. That's it. The part has been replaced. Now let's test it out.